Someone you know and love is going to have a birthday. I know they are. It happens every year. And what are you going to do? Buy them a present? That's so obvious. No, you're going to make their day by playing Happy Birthday on the piano for them. Let's get started. By the way, this is my early intermediate level tutorial for Happy Birthday, which means you have at least a few years experience on the piano. If you're looking for something easier, check out my early elementary Happy Birthday tutorial. Let's have a listen to the entire song. To make this easier to learn, you can download the sheet music from the Hoffman Academy store. So check that out. We'll have a link below. And let's check out this first measure. Notice that both hands are in the bass clef. So you're going to start with both hands here down below middle C. Find 2 C's below middle C on your piano for the left hand. And you're going to play this C major arpeggio. The left hand plays C, E, G. Right hand plays C, E, G. Left hand's going to cross over to middle C. Notice we jump up to treble staff. C, E, G. Then right hand comes up and why am I playing this B flat? Please notice the key signature at the start. All B's are automatically flat because of this key signature. So watch that one more time. And I'm going to add damper pedal to make this sound extra cool. The far right pedal under your piano, if you have pedals on a traditional piano, the far right pedal is your damper pedal. You're going to put that down and then just have some fun with that. Pause if you'd like to practice that on your own. Otherwise, let's keep going. Now, the right hand is going to play the Happy Birthday melody, which is pretty simple and straightforward. So let's check out the left hand first. Left hand goes back into bass clef. And note, we start on this F. So get finger 5 on F. We have this pa-pa kind of accompaniment pattern. Pa-pa, pa-pa. For an pa-pa, you want the first note to be stronger and then these staccatos to be very light. Pa-pa. Don't bang it out or it doesn't sound very musical or pretty. It's not going to be a happy birthday. It's going to be a crappy birthday. So let's be happy. Pa-pa. Okay, now notice each chord. If we put those all in a block, we've got this in measure 3, then this in measure 4, then this in measure 5, then back to this. Again, then measure 8. Now, pause the video and work on just the left-hand part up till there, then press play, and we'll check out the rest. Now, after that fermata, remember, this fermata means to hold it extra long. Then we get a treble clef sign. So once again, the left hand's going to come up above middle C into treble clef land with a D flat F G, this really cool, spicy sounding chord. Try that out on your piano with fingers 4, 2, 1, D flat F G, and then that shifts into a F major second inversion chord. Try that out, 5, 2, 1. Then practice going from this chord to this chord. When I see 2 chords in a row, I like to just go back and forth until my fingers are really comfortable with that. You can pause if you'd like more practice with that. Otherwise, let's go on. We see another F major second inversion chord, shifting to a C7 chord, C, E on the bottom, and then finger 1's going to come up to that B flat. Don't forget, B's are automatically flat. That resolves to this F and A. So let's practice going from this to this. Back and forth. And then, and many more, the best part of the song at the end. We go back to bass clef. Finger 4 comes down to this C. And many more. Now you try. Great, so that's the left hand part. Together with the right hand, we get... Fermata, hold it extra long. Now, on your own, you might want to practice some right hand alone. Don't forget to watch out for B flats, like here at the pickup to measure 9. Otherwise, the right hand's just playing the melody. The staccatos add some liveliness, so watch the difference between legato and staccato. And many more. Now you're playing Happy Birthday. Great job learning how to play Happy Birthday. Now, go forth and spread love and joy by playing this for anyone and everyone you know. On their birthday, of course. Thanks for watching. Have you ever wondered why people always sing the Happy Birthday song so slow? Huh? It's someone's birthday! You're about to eat cake! It should be Happy Birthday to you, cha-cha-cha! But instead it's always Happy Birthday to you! It's depressing! Maybe deep down they're just sad it's not their birthday. But they still get to eat cake! Or sad that they don't get to be the one to blow out the candles. Oh, I always help a little with that anyway. You help blow out the candles? Just a little. I kind of secretly give a little extra blow, you know? You monster. Huh? Just kidding. But seriously, do not do that on my birthday. Okay, but then I'm gonna sing extra slow. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.